In this video, I'll show you how to create and add a clickable button in Gmail. Okay, so before we get started with this, we just need to install an extension. Now, by installing an extension, it's going to allow us to create a simple button very easily, and it is a free extension. So what I would do is go to your Chrome or your browser's web store. For me, I've just gone ahead and Googled Chrome Web Store. We can go ahead and then go here. You can search for Gmail button. Go ahead and click enter, and then there are going to be a couple of options. It's up to you which one you choose. I'm going to choose this one here, which is featured by Cloud HQ. So go ahead and click on that and then add it to Chrome. Click add extension. As you can see, it's got 4.7 stars as of this video. So once this has been installed, it's then going to open up your Gmail again. It will probably refresh the page if you've already got it open. But you will notice you'll have now an insert button. Click on that. You can then add a button, and then you've got text here. So let's say we're linking someone to YouTube. So we can type in YouTube, and then you want to enter in a URL. And then after you've entered that, you can choose the button style. So because it's YouTube, we'll change it to red. And this is the preview here. And you've got all of these other options you can customize. Click insert to email. And there you go. This link will now go to YouTube. So when someone clicks on the button, it will redirect them to YouTube. That's all you have to do. You can also add text and email as you normally would do. So thank you for watching.